these beautiful whiteboard and doodle videos and do it all without spending a ton of money? If so, I think you are going to be super excited when I tell you how affordable and easy to, Explaindio Elements actually is. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Go ahead and skip ahead. Get to the good stuff with my actual review, where I'm going to show you the sales page and tell you about my bonuses and show you the software and stuff. But if you are not new, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Or seriously? Seriously? Do you know how annoying that guy is? All the time, yakety, yakety, yakety. Maybe he won't follow me to New York. What do you think? What do you think, folks? Will he follow me to New York? Is he going to be there when I'm recording these videos in New York City? What do you think? Let me know. Seriously, tell me in the chat, in the comments, if you think that Bart is going to be following me to New York. You know he is. He sticks to me. It sticks to me like glue. The way things work here, if I like the product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. You see, Liz is a sweetheart. I love her. You know, who could get angry at Liz? Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for Explaindio Elements. Now, this is a really interesting product. So Explaindio is by my friend Andrew Darius. He puts out a ton of software. It's like every month he's got another software product coming out. It's insane stuff. But Explaindio is actually his flagship product. His company is called Explaindio LLC because this was the product that he started with. He built it several years back and he's expanded it tremendously over the years. Basically, it's designed to make like doodle videos and cartoon style videos. The kind of like the whiteboard where you see a hand drawing like this, you know, that kind of thing. And it's become a pretty expansive piece of software, but it's also a little bit pricey and it is, of course, a little bit complicated to use. And so the way he describes it's kind of like Photoshop that started off simple but slowly expanded to the point where it's become a massive product. And so he said, well, what if I made something that was a little bit simpler that would fulfill the needs of 98% of people, and the 2% of people who really need, like, you know, all the bells and whistles would spend a small fortune for Explaindio. And so that was basically the idea behind Explaindio Elements. And you can see here, these are just some of the video samples you can make with Explaindio Elements, and they're really, really nicely done pieces of content. The software is really, really slick. I'm going to show you the software in just a second. You can go ahead and import videos and pictures and all kind of other cool stuff into the software and in order to create stuff. I do want to tell you about my custom bonus, which is going to be really, really cool. Basically, what I'm going to give you is a set of ready-made video that you can go ahead and import into Explaindio Elements to use with the software. You are going to be able to use free stuff as well, but this is paid stuff that you're not going to be able to get for free. So you'll be able to use that together with Explaindio Elements. So let me go ahead and show you the members area, the software rather. The members area is nothing to see really. It's basically just a download link for the software. But this is the software. I know you can't see my face. I apologize. There I am. And basically, what you would do is like this: click Create Project. So let's just go to the name Test. Okay, and click Create. And what's really, really cool, you can see here, you can add all kinds of different things. So video, if you set up you can set up a free account on Pexels and I think on Pixabay. And it'll automatically import those things. You can also add in pictures of your own if you have pictures or you have images. You can also obviously add text. Okay, but what's really, really cool here is that you can actually go ahead and add in content. Let me see where it was again. Okay, 1 second. I'm trying to remember where it is. You know, I was playing with this earlier, and now I don't remember anymore exactly where it was. Add video, add content. I don't remember where it was anymore. Sketch image, maybe? Text. Ah, we have to add a scene. That would make sense. Okay, so let's add some text here. Okay, see, I'm just starting to play with this thing. Let me get my face back in here. 1 second. Let me just starting to play with the software. I haven't used it much myself. Okay, but you can add in images. You can add in all kinds of cool stuff here. You just have to add a scene first, and then it'll automatically allow you to start loading slides. And it's got a bunch of ready-made stuff as well, so you can actually go ahead and start creating content to sell to other people. And it's, of course, all included for you for free with the software. And, of course, you're also going to be able to use my videos as well. And see here, you can add videos and in the background. Okay, so you can see here some of the samples that they've got here. Halloween party, woodworking. They have a whole list of things here. Accountant, okay, account, okay, accident attorney, all kind of cool stuff. They have tons and tons and tons and tons of content here. You can go ahead and add in any of this stuff. Let's close that up real quick. We don't need that right now. All right. You can add in images. You can add in videos. This you need to set up a free account on Pexels or Pixabay, but you can definitely add that in. Also add in animations. Okay, and again, they have even more in the way of animations. They have a whole list of templates you can add in to your videos. So, for example, accident attorney. And we can actually preview the scene. Okay, so let's select this and click slide preview. Okay, and these are all ready-made for you, so you can actually use them to create your own videos. Okay, and there's hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of them here that you can use. Okay, and they can all be, of course, edited as need be. Okay, again, slide preview. And we can see here exactly what it's going to have. Okay, and you just edit it. All right, and basically, so if I were to add this in, let's say, okay. All right, and add single. All right. Okay, and again, so I can go ahead and start editing everything here. Okay, I can edit the text. Okay, I can edit the videos, everything I can edit. I can choose exactly what's going to be included, what's not going to be included. And then, of course, once you're ready to go, you simply go ahead and click, let me see, create video. And basically, it's going to go ahead and ask you, where you want to save it and all that kind of stuff. You click Start Export, and then that's it. I know where to do it. There's a lot of things to play with. The members area also has tutorials on how to use the software, which I'm not going to go into right now. Bottom line is it's a very, very comprehensive software. They do have an option to get the full Explaindio, but honestly, you don't really need it. Nice thing is, by the way, that during the launch, Explaindio Elements is $27, so it's super, super cheap. And again, if you pick it up from me, you're also going to get the set of videos, over 2,000 high-quality videos that you can use for Explaindio. So let's see if I'm going to give it to Advanced Product Grader or not.
You rock!
You rock. A good piece of software that can actually create quality videos, and you pay one time for it is something that's really valuable, because like most of these kinds of softwares today are what we call software as a service, where you have to pay every single month or every single year. and you spend a small fortune on it. So when you can get something for one price, that's really worth picking up. So this one is worth grabbing. You're going to love it.